Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super timely topic: how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase Wallet in 2025. Whether you're looking to diversify your holdings, access more advanced features, or just gain better control over your assets, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring like a pro in no time. By 2025, crypto transfers have become even smoother with updated interfaces and enhanced security. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have both your Robinhood and Coinbase Wallet accounts set up and verified. Double check that your Coinbase Wallet is linked to a secure device. Always enable two-factor authentication for extra peace of mind. This step is crucial to avoid any hiccups down the line. Now, log into your Robinhood app or website. Head over to the Crypto section and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. For example, if it's Bitcoin, click on it and look for the Withdraw or Transfer Out option. You'll be prompted to enter a wallet address. That's where Coinbase comes in. Open your Coinbase Wallet app, go to the Receive section, and copy the wallet address for the same crypto. Paste that address into Robinhood, and don't forget to double-check it to prevent any accidental losses. Next, review the transaction details. Robinhood might show you estimated fees and processing times. In 2025, these are often lightning fast, but network congestion can still play a role. Once you're happy, hit Confirm and authorize the transfer. Sit tight. Depending on the crypto, this could take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour. Once the transfer is initiated, switch back to your Coinbase wallet. You should see the incoming transaction in your activity log. Give it a moment to confirm on the blockchain, and voila! Your crypto is now safely in your Coinbase wallet. Remember, always keep an eye on gas fees if you're dealing with Ethereum-based tokens, as they can vary. Before we wrap up, a quick tip. In 2025, many platforms like Robinhood and Coinbase have integrated better tools for tracking transfers, so use those to monitor your assets. If you run into any issues, reach out to customer support right away. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay secure out there, and we'll see you in the next video.